Exercise 5.1. The first problem is obtain the equation of the circle with radius 5 cm touching x-axis at the origin in general form. That is, our circle has radius 5 units and it touching the x-axis. It touching the x-axis at origin. Touching the x-axis at origin. So, the circle will be of the form of like this. The circle is touching the x-axis at origin and it is having 5 units radius. This may be like this also. Touching the x-axis and having the radius 5 units. So, this may be 0, 5 and 0, minus 5 also we can take. Okay. Given that the radius is 5 centimeter, the circle passes through 0, 0. That is center at 0, 0 and having the radius 5 units. So, center of the circle. Center of the circle will be 0, k. Because the circle touches the x-axis at origin. So, the center of the circle will be 0, k. That is 0, plus or minus 5. Why we are taking plus or minus 5? The circle may be above the x-axis or below the x-axis. If above the x-axis means 0, plus 5. If below the x-axis means 0, minus 5 will be the center of the circle. Therefore, the equation of the circle with center at 0, plus or minus 5 and radius 5 units will be of the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So, we are going to substitute the values of h and k. Here, h value is 0, k value is plus or minus 5. Radius is 5 units. Then, while expanding this, you will get x square plus y square. This is plus or minus 10y. That is a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. B square is nothing but 25. If it is plus 5 also 25. If it is minus 5 also 25. Here plus or minus 10y. 2ab format is equal to 5 square. 5 square is 25. So, x square plus y square. Here both 25 will be cancelled. You will get x square plus y square plus or minus 10y is equal to 0, which is the required circle equation. Find the equation of the circle with center 2, minus 1 and passing through the point 3, 6 in standard form. So, given that the center is 2, minus 1. Always we have to take the center as h, k. Here the value of h is equal to 2, the value of k is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the equation of the circle with h, k and radius or units will be of the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Therefore, I am going to substitute the value of h and the value of k here. X minus 2 whole square plus y, already k value is minus 1. So, here I am in the formula itself I have 1 minus. So, minus into minus plus 1 whole square is equal to r square. So, this one I can take as the first equation because I need to find out what is r. So, for finding r, we have given one condition that the circle passes through 3, 6. Suppose a curve or a circle or a straight line passes through a point means definitely it must satisfy the points. What is satisfy the points? Instead of x we can substitute the x coordinate and instead of y I can substitute the y coordinate. This is called satisfied. The point should satisfy the curve equation or straight line equation, whatever it is. So instead of x I can substitute 3. Instead of y I can substitute 6 is equal to r square. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 square. So 1 plus 49 is equal to r square. That is r square is equal to 50. Therefore the equation of the circle will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 y plus 1 whole square is equal to 50, because r square answer is 50 I got. So this is our required equation of the circle. So now the third problem is find the equation of the circle that touch both the axes and passes through minus 4 comma minus 2 in the general form. Let the center be r comma r. Why we are taking r comma r? Because the circle touch both the axes. Both the axes means it touches the x-axis and also it touches the y-axis. So that I am taking this as r comma r. Here the point is 0 comma r. Here the point is r comma 0. Therefore the center of the circle will be r comma r. That is, this is h and this is k. Center. Usually center we will take as h comma k. So h is equal to r and k is also r. And it passes through minus 4 comma 2. It passes through minus 4 comma 2. This is a given thing in the question itself. Now equation of the circle having the center at h comma k and radius r units is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this is a general equation of the circle which passes through h comma k as the center and radius r units. Now our equation 1 passes through minus 4 comma 2. Therefore instead of x I can substitute minus 4. Instead of y I can substitute minus 2. Instead of h I have taken as r. Instead of k I have taken as r. That will be equal to r square. Because r answer only I don't know. So minus 4 minus r whole square plus minus 2 minus r whole square is equal to r square. So minus 4 square is nothing but 16 plus r square. 2 4s are 8. This is minus into minus plus 8r plus 2 square is 4. R square 4r is equal to r square. This r square and this r square will be cancelled. So the required quadratic equation is r square plus 12r plus 20 is equal to 0. This can be factorized by 10 2s are 20. So r plus 10 into r plus 2 is equal to 0. So now I am going to consider r is equal to minus 10. If r is equal to minus 10 means the center also minus 10 comma minus 10, because the center I have taken as r comma r. Okay. So center is minus 10 comma minus 10. So I have to substitute h answer, k answer and r answer. So x minus h whole square. X minus h answer is minus 10 plus y minus k. K answer is also minus 10. So minus 10 whole square is equal to minus 10 square. So this I can write as x plus 10 whole square plus y plus 10 whole square is equal to 100. If you expand this you will get x square plus 20x plus 100. If you expand this one you will get y square plus 20y plus 100 is equal to 100. This 100 and this 100 can be cancelled and you will get x square plus y square plus 20x plus 20y plus 100 is equal to 0. So if you consider r is equal to minus 10, you will get this circle equation like this. Now I am going to consider r is equal to minus 2. So if r is equal to minus 2 means the center is minus 2 comma minus 2, because h comma k I have taken as r comma r. Again I want to substitute x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 square. That is x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So x square plus 4x plus 4, and then if you expand this one you will get y square plus 4y plus 4. This 4 and this 4 can be cancelled. So the final answer is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is our required answer.